Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a short tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can enable the newsfeed on your home tab on Microsoft Edge really quickly. So drop a like and now let us dive into this. So launch the Microsoft Edge browser on your laptop or on your PC. And here on your home tab of Bing, simply access your page settings by clicking on that gear icon in the top right corner. And after that, you'll be given access to that list of page settings. So here you may enable, for example, various widgets like the weather or content or the newsfeed. So to enable the newsfeed, simply click on or switch on here the show feed option, just like that. And after a moment, you'll be given access to that newsfeed here. So you may personalize it by clicking on that button here in the top right corner to personalize your feed. So what you want to do here is simply select the topics or categories you'd like to get the latest news of. Like, for example, let me go with gaming. Then we got, for instance, the AI here. And let me go also with stocks, just like that. Below, select your favorite sources like newspapers, magazines, websites, institutions, and so on and so forth. So let me go with that one here and with Reuters and also with, let's say, the Wall Street Journal, just for the sake of this tutorial. And after that, your feed will be updated automatically so that you may close that window here and simply browse through your feed to get the latest news in your favorite categories. And that's basically it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.